Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your automatic transmission fluid on an 03 Volvo V70 2.4 non-turbo. So we're going to open the hood. The hood latch location is on the driver's side, the left leg kick panel. You reach in there, you feel a handle, see it, just give it a pull. So the safety latch is located right here in the center. You just pull up the tab and lift the hood open. Turbo. So with the car running, preferably warm or cold, doesn't matter. I like to do them warm. I run it through my foot on the brake and put it in all the gears for 3 to 4 seconds in each gear, all the way down to 1. Put it back into park, leave it idling, and I come out and I check. I reach down here, and on this Volvo, it's a yellow plastic stick. It's clearly marked ATF, for automatic training fluid. There's a tab. You're going to put your thumb on that tab, push it aside, and pull up on that dipstick. Slide it out. So our vehicle is not running because it's inside the shop, but with it running, it tells you right here to not overfill, and you've got hot level and cold level. You want this thing at idle. If it is cold and hasn't been running for a while, it should be right in that mesh area right there. If this car's been running for a couple hours, you've been driving down the street, obviously get the transmission to turn, put it in park, check it right in here. If it's up here, it's overfull. If it's way down here and it's hot, it's underfilled. You want to bring it right up to the hot level. Always check your maintenance, your manual for the proper fluid. And don't forget, you can fill it right from the same spot, and make sure your cover and dipstick goes back into the slot and all the way down. Make sure it clicks in. Perfect.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.